Hello and welcome to Vinchin. In the event of server crash, you might need to quickly recover data from it. Vinchin supports instant data recovery and migration from its backup to minimizes downtime and ensure business continuity. Before that, you should have a server backup created by Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Here I already have one. Then, click Instant Restore. Select the restore point and select a target host. Then specify the cache storage location, transmission network, and job name. Here I have login to the target server. Click OK to create the job. The newly created Instant Restore job will remain pending state. Just click Start Job in Options to run to job. Now the job begins. Now it's finished. Let's go to the target host. Here you can see there is a new partition. The data in the original server has been successfully restored to this location, but this partition is just temporarily mounted to this server. If you want to move data to the target server, you need the migration feature. Next, we will use Vinchin Backup and Recovery's migration feature to migrate data to the target server. Let's go back to the jobs. Click on Options and then Migration. Here we need to select a target host to which the server will be migrated. Click Connection Test to test the host connection. Select the source volume. Select the restore destination. Click Next. Specify the migration method or directly click Next. Submit it. Let's click on the job name again to see some job details. Now, the migration job has been created successfully. Go to the target host. You can see that the files has been restored to the existing partition on the target server. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.